Let us unbox the Infinix Hot 30i. So inside the box you find the phone itself. Alongside it are accessories such as the phone's back cover. This is supposed to be the warranty card. It also has a 3-pin charging adapter, a SIM card tray pin, a pair of wired earphones, and a Type-C charging cable. The Infinix Hot 30i also has an Android 12 OS and a Unisoc octa-core processor that allows your phone to run smoothly without any lag. On the storage, it has a 128GB internal storage and a 4GB expandable RAM. About the camera, it has a 12-megapixel dual camera and an 8-megapixel selfie camera. So if you want to purchase this phone for 16,300 Kenyan shillings, order through our website phoneplacekenya.com. We deliver within 24 hours outside Nairobi and same-day delivery within, or you can visit our store at the Bazaar Plaza Mezzanine 1 Unit 5.